Welcome to Pumble, a business messaging platform for team chat and collaboration. In this video, we'll go over how Pumble can be beneficial for your team's collaboration. Let's start from the main place where the majority of collaboration is happening, the channels. Channels in Pumble serve to organize teams by type of tasks, projects, or any other way that fits your team. By default, your workspace will have a general channel for important updates and a random channel that can be exited by members. To create a new channel, click on a plus icon next to the channel section in the sidebar. Type the name of the channel, insert a short description, and mark it if it should be private or public. There is no limit on the number of channels, so create as many as you need to organize your workspace. When you receive a new direct message or a new message in a channel, you can respond to it by using the thread option. Hover over a message, click on a message icon and type in your response. Threads will keep your conversations easier to follow. To view all threads in which you messaged or threads you're following, go to the top of the sidebar on the left and click on Threads. When a new message shows up in a thread you're engaged with, the thread button on the sidebar will be bold. If you no longer wish to receive notifications from a thread, click on the three dots on the right and then click on Follow Thread. Now, when you wish to communicate something with multiple people, you can create and manage user groups. Each team can have a user group. Mentioning a specific user group will notify all its members, so whoever is online will be able to respond to requests timely. To create a new user group, go to People and User Groups in your sidebar. Click on New User Group, select a name and a handle for your user group. And if you'd like, set a purpose for it and select default channels to which user group members will be automatically added to. Click Next and add members you'd like to include. Once you finish adding members, click Create Group. Now, whenever you wish to mention a user group or a team member, just type in @ and start typing the name or select it from a list. All mentioned members or people will then be marked in blue inside the conversation. Let's see how you can format your message and make sure that your message is understood correctly. Formatting your messages in Pumble is easily accessible from the message toolbar. You can use bold, italic, or strike through to format text. When you want to quote a piece of information that was shared with you, use the quote block option, or numeric or bulleted lists to list various tasks. There's also a code option to differentiate a short code from the rest of the text, or a code block to highlight longer blocks of code. When you notice a formatting icon change color, it means the formatting option is in use. Collaborating with your team often requires sharing files such as videos, images, screenshots, documents, or audio files. Pumble allows you to share all types of files by simply dragging and dropping, or by clicking on a paperclip icon and selecting the file you want to share. From there, all team members can open the files, download files, to view them offline, or share them with other team members via direct messages. Additional options are available by clicking on the three dots in the corner. You can click to view more details, copy link to the file, open it in a new browser tab, delete the file, or add it to your personal saved items. All shared files are then saved within the workspace and are visible to people with whom they were shared. To access them, go to the sidebar and click on File Browser. Start typing the file name or apply filters to find the file more quickly. In the free plan, each workspace has 10 GB of space in total, while in the Pro plan, each user gets 10 GB of storage space. We all know that collaboration is faster and more productive with voice and video calls. Voice and video calls in Pumble are available with one click. Just open a chat with a team member, click on the phone icon to start a voice call, or on a video icon to start a video call. If you're on a call and you need to visually represent your ideas, Pumble offers a screen sharing option to help you communicate more clearly. Just click on a screen share button and choose which screen you'd like to share. Once you finish representing your ideas, click here to stop sharing. When you finish a call, just click on the red button. In Pumble, enabling external partners access to a workspace is possible with a guest access feature. To grant someone guest access, click on your workspace name at the top left and then on Invite People. Next, type in the email address of the person you want to add, and from the downside menu select Invite as Guest. Choose the channels in which you want to add guests and set a time limit during which they will be part of your workspace. You can select one of the offered timeframes or custom it to the exact expiration date. When you set a limit, you'll see a display message with the exact expiration date and time. Guests will be notified about the expiration 2 days in advance. Once you set up all details, click Send, and the invitations to join a workspace will be sent to the guests. After the invitation is accepted, guest members will be part of your workspace. To further explore Pumble collaboration features, visit the Pumble Help Center to get more details.